Good day, America Papa here. Jen's cooking a Filipino favorite for rainy days. Here's the ingredients. So all you Filipinos out there, can you guess what she's making for this rainy day? Filipino favorite. What's it called?
Sopas.
And if you haven't guessed yet, I'm going to let you know it's called Sopas. I think I said it right. If I didn't, that's the white guy's version. So we got some chicken, cabbage, hot dogs, garlic, onions, and carrot, evaporated milk, and macaroni. I'll show you how it goes together. Once again, this is a Filipino favorite. Showing you the ingredients one more time. We got carrots, cabbage, hot dogs, chicken, bell peppers, garlic, red onion, chicken bouillon cube 1, macaroni, evaporated milk, fish sauce, and some margarine. And a pan to put it all in. First thing is garlic, onions, and bell peppers. When the onion's translucent, then you're going to put in the chicken. With some pepper, black pepper. About a tablespoon. And then some fish sauce. You're going to simmer this with the lid on. Get the chicken cooked down. I said earlier the bell peppers, but those are going to go in with the cabbage and carrots. Those are what's next. This is last, along with the evaporated milk and some water. We simmered the chicken, onions, and garlic. Now we got the macaroni going in. Stir that up. Get it coated with all that goodness. Then we're putting some hot water in there. That was approximately 4 cups of water. And now we're going to cover it. There we go with the hot dogs. Always makes me laugh.
Why?
I don't know.
And let's put this
And the bell peppers.
later.
Now we're going to go, next step is my favorite cabbage. I love cabbage. Get all that cabbage. That's what it looks like in there. Stir that baby around. Oh, look at that. The last thing that's going in there, but not yet. Oh, shoot. Just spilt a little. It's going to be that.
You can put the cabbage.
Right now? Yeah. Oh, here we go. Throwing that in there. Yeah. I spilled some. Put another one in there. Yeah, that's right. Nothing but goodness. We're gonna stir that up. Let that go for a little while. And when it's done, I'll show you that. Thanks again for watching. Be back in a second. Or thanks to editing, probably less than a second. Soup's done. Next is to taste it. Feel that. Wow, not bad. Pretty good. Thanks again for watching. I'll put out more outdoor videos when it stops raining. So thanks again for all your subscriptions, and if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. And if you like it, hit the like button. I'm out. This is what it looks like, all put in a bowl and prepped up. Once again, the name is
Chicken sopas.
Chicken Sopa
With this.
with egg. Filipino favorite.